Yeah, it's kind of raining today. This is Volong Street. Up there is Soulbrigada. I think it's called New Street of Soulbrigada. You got Saint Roque and Saint Miguel. They're up there a little ways, and then this one goes down to I think that's Rua de Campo, that street with all the traffic. But we're gonna be walking down this way in the rain, and we'll see how far we get. We're gonna try to. I think this is Volong. This is also where they filmed the New Face K-pop video as well. Way down there where the buildings get more colorful. So anyways, let's go check that all out. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, we're getting some rain in here. Let's kind of sneak across. It's getting really wet to try to catch that shot. I think it's worth it. Let's see. Yeah, we're just gonna have to hug the corners a little bit. Tasting Kitchen. That's the name of that one, so it's like, kind of makes me curious. Kind of interesting about this one, there's a few people with their arms. Looks like they're having cigarettes. So it's kind of photogenically kind of cool. They're just hanging out there. You can see their arms kind of sticking out to the right. The lighting is just coming on too, so we can capture some of that. Beauty center. We got some kind of a cool looking yellow building as well right there. Let me see. Okay, so we're gonna the rain is kind of strong, so Volong keeps continuing down. If it wasn't raining, it'd be I don't know the camera settings. There's a rooftop up there. I don't know if I can capture that. It feels like my phone is like not capturing the height without me moving the camera. But I'm not so sure. It's so wet still. There were some people hanging out there earlier. Volong continues down. So we're still, so Volong, I don't know, we're gonna probably get a little bit wet here. Actually, try to move over a little bit. This street is called Brandao. I don't know if you can see it very well with that overpass. I'm gonna try to go across and I'll try to explain it over. We'll see what it looks like on that side, but it's kind of raining, kind of wet. So that's not our target street, but this one is kind of interesting because if you go over that way, you can see this Brandao has this like curvature, and it goes up like that, and it just kind of keeps on going up. You get a better view. I did a different street up there, St. Roque and St. Michael, and then you can really see the way that it goes down, but we're kind of more down at the bottom, so you can't really see it the way that it goes very well. But if you see on the other side of that, you can see a building way up there. So basically that kind of goes down like that and then goes back up. So okay, we're going to continue down to the Volong. Yeah, and actually the rain, it's really starting to rain, so we're not really capturing like the amount of tourists that are usually around here. but usually you have quite a few. Kind of a cool green building. We're gonna get wet now. I gotta run across and capture that building because it looks kind of interesting. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Getting pretty wet though. Dang. I think I need to get back over there, but I also need to capture that too, like that. Okay. Capture that okay, like that? I'm capturing how cool that looks. So ideally, if I'm walking a little bit, right? So we're gonna keep on going up. I was watching this yellow building once they were filming. There was a film crew that was right here, and they were capturing this. They had a scene that was inside there, and they opened up the windows. It was pretty cool. Kind of reminds me of what, lets you kind of remember what it might have been like in another era. I should probably end the film, but it's really raining in there. So anyways, this is where they filmed the K-pop video here. And this is, they'll have a bunch of shops. So I don't know if I can see them without getting really, really wet. You see that little red spot right there? There's a little doorway. I'm just gonna run over there real quick. There we go. And now I can capture. So this is actually where they filmed New Face as well, the video. So we basically came down that way. The camera's getting really, really wet. So we're gonna actually try to run back down. But if we went up, we'd be going down this way, and you can basically see all these shops. There's like Space Coffee, several coffee shops, things like that. Okay, we're gonna run back across. Okay. This camera is supposed to be good for underwater. So anyways, that's Volong Street. And yeah, let me just flip that around, just kind of see how that looks. That's kind of cool. Not really. I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna end it for Volong Street, but at least you kind of got a little taste of it, and there's a lot of beauty in Macau, a lot of interesting stuff. So on that note, we're gonna end our video. Volong and Volong. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Toma cuidado la